I will talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just saw inverse, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, click here on account. So when you click on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on personalize, just click on it. So then you click here on photo here. When you just click on photo, so then here can you change or add your photo profile in this list here. So then here can you change it. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.